Greetings to you, dear clients, dear subscribers. This is Ison Company. In this video, we will review the wireless IP Wi-Fi surveillance camera model Ison IP-GU-8000-PRO. So, I would like to start this video review by stating that this surveillance camera is designed to work only as part of the ready-made Ison AR Pro Max X surveillance systems. It does not work separately. It does not work with recording to an SD card. It does not work with any other Wi-Fi modules, Wi-Fi routers, or video recorders. It has only one task: to work as part of the ready-made Ison AR Pro Max X surveillance systems. Why are they sold separately at all? So that you have the option to buy a surveillance system with expansion. For example, you may first want to buy a 5-camera Ison AR Pro Max X system, and later add 2-3 more cameras. Then accordingly, you take the system and subsequently purchase additional surveillance cameras plus power supplies for them. And they are very easy to install and connect, because regular Wi-Fi surveillance cameras are quite difficult to install. They need to be connected separately to a computer, and you need to enter IP addresses. Here, none of this is necessary. All you need to do is connect this surveillance camera near your Ison AR Pro Max X system, press and hold this button for 5 seconds. The night light will start blinking here, then press the plus sign on the DVR in the section where your cameras are connected. I have already shown in the review of the Ison AR Pro Max X system where this menu item is located, and that's it. The camera has been automatically added. No further action is needed. We have already published a detailed video review of the completed Ison AR Pro Max X surveillance system on the channel. For an hour, I talked to you about all the advantages of this system and all the features of these cameras. I won't talk about this again. In this video review, I will discuss the different modifications of these cameras and how they differ from each other. The oldest model here is the 8-megapixel one with a standard processor, the Ison IP-GU-8000-PRO. There is a similar model with 8 megapixels but with the letter E at the end, and these models are cheaper due to a more budget-friendly processor, meaning they are 20–30% simpler in terms of image quality and detail. There are also similar cameras but with 5 megapixels. They also come with a standard processor and with a budget processor marked with an E. The same applies to 4-megapixel and 2-megapixel models. We are often asked how to understand the difference, for example, between an 8-megapixel camera with an E-category processor and a 5-megapixel camera with a standard processor. The answer here is quite simple. Always look at the price. If you see that the cameras differ by, say, 15% in cost, they will also differ by the same 15% in terms of image quality and detail. All other options, all features and Wi-Fi modules are absolutely the same for all of them. They differ only in one parameter: the quality of video recording. The package with all cameras traditionally includes the camera itself, mounting hardware and instructions. Please note that the power supply is purchased separately. In the review of the Ison AR Pro Max system, I told you that there is a standard internal power supply. It can be increased within certain lengths. There are also more powerful options with an outdoor power supply when your camera is mounted outside, and you simply connect a 220V line to power the camera. If you have any questions about these cameras, ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a new video.